Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this arched frame that I got from Dollar Tree. It did have a mirror in it, but for recording purposes, I removed it before starting. I opened up and removed the backing. It's attached with screws. I painted both the frame and the back side of that insert with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly. Once the frame was dry, I did a coat of matte varnish by Waverly that'll seal it on so it doesn't chip. Next, I'm taking these rub-on transfers. They're by Thymeless Designs. You can get them from Amazon. And I cut a piece of one of them and then put it on this piece of plank wood that's from Dollar Tree and just marked where I wanted to cut that down. Took some shears that I got from Temu and started cutting. I cut on both sides and then break it apart and sand it down. I then am painting this piece of plank wood as well as two wooden dice that are also from Dollar Tree with the same plaster chalk paint. Once those are dry, I take the transfer and remove the backing from it, place it down on the piece of plank wood, making sure it was where I wanted it before I pressed it down, and then use the tool that it comes with to rub the transfer onto my surface, and then slowly peel the film from the front and fix any spots that need to be stuck down more. Next, I'm taking this scrapbook paper. I believe I got it from Joann's, but I'm not completely sure. I trace that back part of the frame onto it and cut that out. I then add a layer of Mod Podge to the unfinished side of that backing to the frame. Place down my scrapbook paper, smooth it out with my hands, and then made sure it was completely dry with my heating tool. You can just let it air dry or use the iron method. Once that is completely dry, I add a layer of Mod Podge to the top of the paper and dry that completely, and then cut any excess paper that's on there. I place the backing back onto the frame and screw it into place. I then touch up any paint where you can still see part of the frame on the back, as well as those screws. I flip it over and I hot glue the plank wood to the scrapbook paper, just eyeballing it to get it as centered as possible. I then take the two wooden dice and I hot glue those to the back bottom side of the frame. These will act as a stand so it'll stay upright. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.